How to enter Robinhood 1099 into TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you received a 1099 form from Robinhood and you want to enter that in TurboTax, the first step is to open TurboTax. Make sure to log into your account. Now, from here you want to navigate to the income and expenses section. So go ahead and click on this and click on pick up where you left off option. Now, from this list, you want to select Investments and Savings option. Go ahead and click on Add/Edit option. Here, click on Yes. Once you do that, you will be directed to Let's Import Your Tax Info page. Here, you will have to select your financial institution. From here, click on Robinhood if you find it. Otherwise, click on Show More, or you can search it here from the search bar as well. Once you select Robinhood, you will have to log in using your Robinhood credentials to securely import your 1099 data directly into TurboTax. If importing option is not available, you can manually enter Robinhood 1099 details as well. Make sure you input details for each stock sale. After you've entered all the details, you want to review your entries. After reviewing the details, you can file your return, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.